Hello there, ako po si Old Noob at ngayon ay mag-unbox tayo ng isang package galing sa Naos. Yan. It's a mouse. MTech Dominate Levi Ultralight Gaming Mouse. Yan. And Naos Esports. I think this is a planner. Yan. Meron tayong planner, no? Kahit ano, wala akong plano sa buhay, no? This is, I think, this is umbrella, of course. And umbrella with the Naos logo. There. So that's it. Maraming salamat sa Naos. Thank you very much kay Boss Naos Levi. Maraming salamat po. And sa buong Naos Esports, yan, maraming salamat. Thank you very much. Ako po si Old Noob at hanggang sa muli. Have a great day. Thank you, Naos.